Jaliza.com once more, and I'm so excited for today's wig. Oh my gosh, this is so nicely presented. So let's get into what's in today's package. Okay, let's get into it. You know, this is basically just cards on how to care for your wig. You know, it's talking about deals, and if you need to return, they have a slip in there. So I like how they package everything really nice and neat. I got a pair of wig caps. Ooh, I got a pair of what it is, Sisful Pure, that's what is listed on it, the brand. And this is some really big wispy lashes. So if you're going for that vibe, I got this. And then I got the bag with the wig, and it's branded Jaliza.com. Alright, so you heard Jaliza, you know, it's a braided wig, yes. We're here with another braided wig today. The first time I tried a braided wig from this brand was a glueless braided wig. So let's see what we have today. Oh my gosh, guys. This wig is immaculate. Now what this is today is Jaliza U Braids full hand-tied full HD lace wig. It's a braided wig. This is a 32 inches tangleless boho braids, human hair boho curls, and human hair baby hairs medium square box braided wig. Okay guys, this is 32 inches. That's what they say. It's giving more 30, but let me tell you, when they say tangleless, like, guys, I've been running my hands through this from I take it out the package. Tangle free. The first time I tried a boho braid style, it did tangle over time easily. So, and that was straight out of the packaging too. Even though it tangled more over time, initially out of packaging, it was tangling. So now running my hands through it, you can definitely tell it is human hair. It is, I'm so happy for this. Guys, I'm gonna do a bomb install today with this wig. Oh my god, look at this, man. Look at it. It looks like real scalp. The fact that this is a full braided lace wig, is not just to a portion, and it looks so realistic. Guys, I'm putting you on to something super flawless right now, okay? For somebody I don't do braids. I don't really get braids like that, you know? This wig, oh my gosh, so convenient. So they did add this adjustable strap inside of the cap. This is how inside the cap looks. Has a total of what, 1 2 3 4 combs, 2 in the back here you could stick into the back of your head, and 2 at the sides, and then they're adjustable straps, so you could go ahead. I love to crisscross my straps, so I'm gonna crisscross them in the back for more security. I'm gonna adjust this even more so the wig is really snug, even though I'm going to glue it on. I'm super excited for today's install. So today, this is how the elastic band looks on the inside. Right, love this, and I can tell this is gonna melt down so nicely. Oh my gosh, this, guys, it's worth every penny that you're about to spend if you decide to get this wig. Let me just be honest, okay? It is resistant to rubbing. All right, so I'm gonna do my whole ball cap vibe, and then I'm gonna proceed to, you know, my simple glue install. So I'm gonna come back. Let's go. So right off the bat, the only thing I think I need to like fix, oh my gosh, this is so flat. So you see how casty it looks at the roots? I want that to look more like skin-like, more scalp-like, that tone. So what I'm gonna do is get my powder and my powder brush and dab it on to both my ball cap and the wig. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh yeah. It looks way more natural looking. Absolutely love that. And you see the baby hairs? Comes with baby hairs, so you can go ahead and customize that as you please. It's nicely snugged. Absolutely love that. It feels so snug to the point where you could probably chance wearing this glueless. Ha! Yeah, because it is on there. Yeah, man, I love the feeling. Oh, by the way, it does have a bit of a scent. It's not like bad, but it's like, you know, like a factory scent, like, you know, that scent you that imagine for it to have in production. Yeah, so it's not bad, but yeah, it's more like factory. Perfect for vacation, duh. What? Oh my gosh, I look like I went to the salon. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is oh, this is so good. This is so good, guys. They did their big one. Like, only thing now I need to do is like get the sides to fit comfortably around my ear. So I'm gonna have to cut off one of the braids. This is usually what one of the braid. That's usually what happens. So the lace looks so good. What I told you guys, I knew this would melt down so nice. It looks so undetectable already. So I'm gonna go in with just a layer and a half of glue.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
And you could do this without any baby hairs, as you can see. Like, it would look super realistic, but of course I must do my baby hairs because I just feel like it adds this next level to the whole braided look, and I like it. That's just my preference. If you don't, then that's your preference, and that's fine. Yep. If you could flip this over to the side, the parting, oh god, wow, it's just to die for. All right, so the portions they left out, the strands they left out for the baby hairs, is so realistic. I love that they didn't overdo it at all. I really love that they did not overdo it. No, I must say I had to redo my makeup because this wig was giving me the vibes. Put me in the mood, man. It's such a gorgeous wig, and let me tell you, I love the fact that Jaliza explored this type of quality with this style braided wig specifically, because I feel like that's the biggest con people find with the boho braided look, is it being tangled easily. And as I said before, I know the feeling. This doesn't tangle, like, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Like, I love it. They couldn't have done anything better. And look, the baby hairs, I did a whole, like, you know, messy, natural kind of soft baby hair vibe. It's not paste down completely. I love that. I love that. So, oh my gosh, you can explore different styles with this. You know, like, don't be afraid to just like do different stuff. Even though, you know, you're seeing the scalp, it's like they didn't make the spacing to like make it too spaced out. This is nice, right?
Yeah.
I did not expect this. You could wear it down. You could do it like how I just showed you. There are multiple styles you could explore. Today, I'm gonna actually go out in a few. So I'm gonna pull back a few pieces. That's just like my signature thing to do with my braided looks. But you see how flat this lays? Be for real. Oh god, no man, this looks like I went to the, it doesn't look like a helmet. You know, a lot of braided wigs can come off looking like a helmet. It's just the truth. So this doesn't look like that. I love this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a few strands, put it to the back, and I'm gonna just kind of, you guys know my signature thing to do. Okay, so that is a vibe. Oh! Ah! Yeah, it's a 10. It's a 10, Jaliza. It is a 10. You guys did that. You did that. 10 out of 10. 20 out of 10 recommend this wig. 20 out of 10. Tangleless boho braided wig. 32 inches. Let's say, I feel like it's giving more 30 or even 28. It could be a little longer for 32 inches. Yeah. But everything else is intact. Love it. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out. All the specifications will also be listed, so check that out as well. And that's it. If there are any discount codes, any deals, any sale, it will be down there, so check it out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.